Hi everyone, my name is Samuel Low and today I'm going to talk about the fundamentals of 6 useful networking commands in Windows Part 2. The Traceroute command allows you to see step-by-step route a packet takes to the destination that you specify. We can enter tracert.google.com to see the path between us and Google's IP address. So when it starts tracing, some information will be displayed here, such as the first column, which is the number of hops. Column 2 to column 4 is the speed the packet takes to travel, and the final column represents the IP address of where the packet hops on and off until it reaches its final destination, which is google.com. So as you can see here, in order for me to reach google.com's IP address, it took 7 hops. But of course, there is always a faster way to run this process, which is by entering the option -d right after the traceRT command. This -d can be used to prevent the command prompt from resolving addresses to host names, which will make the process slower. So there is an obvious difference between the time of completion for both commands. Next, we have the route print command. This command shows the local network routing table. This is the list of interfaces that are installed on the device, the IPv4 route table and the IPv6 route table. Here shows the network destination with an IP address of 0.0.0.0 and a default gateway IP of 192.168.0.1, which is also my router that routes the packet to the internet. This routing table can be edited to make changes by combining commands of route add, route delete, and route change. NsLookup is a command line tool used to query DNS to obtain domain name or IP address. It can also be used to troubleshoot DNS related problems. This is my local DNS server, and this is the IP address of the DNS server, which is also my default gateway. As we just typed in NsLookup, we are currently in the interactive mode. If we do not wish to be in the interactive mode, we can just type in NsLookup space options. To find an IP address of a host, simply just type in their domain name, in this case Google. And you'll return the desired address back. A non-authoritative answer means it retrieves results from cache instead of needing to contact the real name server. And vice versa, we can enter an IP address to find the domain name. We can enter 8.8.8.8, which is one of the famous Google's DNS IP address, to find out its domain name. So here it says Google. We can also find the mail servers of a domain name by entering NsLookup -query type equal mx and with Google's DNS name, which is google.com. As you can see, here are the mail servers used by Google. We do not need to exit from NsLookup in order to know the mail server of a domain if we are not in the interactive mode. That's all from my sharing, and thanks for watching.